I bet you didn't know yawning is like a social glue that binds us together. Yawning is seriously contagious. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons light up like a Christmas tree. These neurons are like copycats, making you mimic what you see. It's a way of saying, hey, I get you. But that's not all. Some scientists think contagious yawning is linked to empathy. It's like your brain's way of showing that you care. Funny, right? And get this, even your pets can catch a case of the yawns from you. Try it next time. Yawn around your dog and watch the magic happen. So next time you find yourself yawning in sync with others, know that it's just your brain's way of bonding. Cool, huh? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts. Brought to you by Noble Science.